Ivy from Katy has a question about pesky squirrels.
They are eating through her wooden soffits.
Wonder if they have a Bullwinkle with them.
Nothing up my sleeve. All right, Ivy writes, I'm having them replaced by masonry board. And one quote I received, she says, suggested placing masonry board over the existing soffit instead of removing the wood soffit because the labor cost would be dramatically reduced. Tom, Ivy wants to know, do you see any problem doing it this way?
I see no problem doing it that way at all. In fact, if you're using a hardy soffit, and you have a plywood soffit right now or some kind of good quality product, not a press board, but a wood product that's solid, because soffits usually don't rot. You can go on top of it and it gives it a nicer backing so you don't get this little roll to it, because some of the fiber cement sidings or the cement sidings are they can get oil canning on you. So sometimes you do put plywood underneath there, especially when you're doing siding. So I have no problem with it at all. But if it is perforated and you're looking for it to breathe, they're going to have to cut a slot out where that perforation is.
Okay, now when you say this oil canning thing, does that happen when it's not installed correctly? I mean, is that what causes that?
It has to do with the framing behind it.
Okay.
If the framing isn't really set for doing a product like that without a sheathing, then it can be a problem.
Okay.
And most framing wasn't prepped that way in older homes because you were using a solid plywood soffit.
So in general, if you were going to do a soffit on an older home, you would probably want to put some sort of substrate under it before you put the soffit up?
Either that or you're going to have to do a lot of extra framing.
Oh, that's
Either way, it's just more labor intensive.
More labor.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So I don't have a problem with it. No.
Good. Well, then we don't have a problem with you sending us more questions. We'll answer them just like that. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com. Use that Ask Tom form. It's what it's there for God's sake. And we'll answer it just like these videos over here.
For God's sake.
For God's sake.
God. Can you say, hope you're enjoying the new site or something like that at the end? For the form? Because the form
Isn't it on
different.
YouTube?
The form, I know, yeah.
Oh, okay. No, that's right. Hang on.
Have you visited our new website, Charlie? I'll send you a link.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah. Let's see. It's
One of those little blue
fuckyoutom.com.
You should buy that domain. Because they're going to direct to HomeShowRadio.
Ding.